Hello guys, today in this video we will review glowora.nl. You should buy any product on this store or not. Does their product really work or it just a new scam? Okay, so first of all, if we talk about this brand is approx like 1 year from now, and the time period is looking like good one. And if we talk about like the product, basically they are selling skincare related product. Okay, so one thing I want to clear you, when you use any product which is related to skincare, all product will not work overnight. It will take lots of time and depends on your skin conditions. In some cases you will get results within 3 months or 12 weeks, or in some conditions it will take lots of time, approx like 6 months, that is approx like 24 weeks minimum time period. Okay, so basically if we talk about you should buy their product or not, yes, definitely you can buy, but you should not trust on their reviews on, you can like on their website, because you can see like reviews they have provided like war and na. Then you can see over here the results. Basically the image is same to same, the lady is same to same, the lady dress is also same to same, and there is no difference, in background also. So each and everything is same, so it's all indicating like the image is generated by AI. Okay, so I would like to request you should not trust on these kind of images which is provided in the review section. My suggestion is only this: if you really want to buy, then you can directly buy the product, you can try their product, and you can get, you can say like you can get the product, and after using product you can make some decision you should buy or not. And if we talk about like some reviews on internet, so you can see like they have 307 total reviews, out of which 33% is negative reviews. Okay, so it's indicating like the customers are complaining like when they receive the product quality is not too good, and some of them are complaining like bad company, and money back guarantee is also a false promise. So these are the things mentioned on Trustpilot. So I would like to suggest you only one thing: if you really want to buy their product, you can go on Trustpilot, you can read the reviews, and you can clarify each and everything by using their contact information. If they reply you, then it means their brand is really good and they are providing customer support, and you can clarify each and everything. If you don't get any reply from their side, then you can you know very well, like if the brand is not replying you, it means there is a problem with refund problems also, and there is problem related to customer, you can say like customer problems also. Okay, so these are the things you need to keep in your mind before placing any order. Okay, so now if you have any experience, you can share your thought in our comment box. Your comment is a real review. Okay, so bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.